So I have in this question, like, there are certain cases are given. A student wanted to obtain a magnified image of an object EB. This is what? It is a convex lens. Which one of the following arrangement is showing the correct position of AB for him to be successful? Like this case, if you understand, is a convex lens, and I think if you remembered all the ray diagrams, then this question is pretty easy. This is F, 2F, here also F, 2F. Okay. If you place an object at center of curvature, then exactly same image will be formed at center of curvature. This A dash, B dash. Size of image is equal to size of object. Magnification is what? V by U, and it is equal to 1. Okay. HI is equal to HO. Now, if you look at this different cases, for example, the optical center, if you place an object between optical center and focus, then image will be magnified. Or if you place an object beyond 2f, for example, if you place this AB here beyond 2f, then beyond 2f means image will be formed in between f and 2f. But this image will be lesser than the size of object. Diminish. We say diminish. It is not highly diminish, okay? If it is HO, this is HI. So HI is less than HO. Here magnification is HI by HO, and it is less than 1. So it is not magnified, it is diminish. If you place at 2f, it is, we can't say it is like magnified or diminished because it is exactly equal. But if you place an object between f and 2f, the same object, if you place in between f and 2f, then image will be formed beyond 2f, and it is little bit more like this. This concept, I think, if you remember all the ray diagram, you will understand when object is placed between f and 2f, then image will be magnified. I'm not saying highly magnified, okay? Or you can say highly magnified, okay? Whatever else you want, as your wish. But I will say, like, you can simply, that is correct. Like, if you magnified, that is correct. Okay. Now, check all the option. Like here, F at 2F it is placed. It is beyond 2F. So this option is not correct. This is also not correct. But here you can check. Object is placed between F and 2F. So in this case, option C, magnified image will be formed. Clear? At focus, image will be at infinity. Okay. Here it is highly magnified. Highly magnified. Highly magnified. Clear? Understood? Highly magnified. Here only magnified. We magnified we will say. Highly magnified means M will be much greater than 1. But they are asking only magnified. It is not highly magnified. Okay? Understood? Clear? Magnified means size of image will be more than the size of object. We will say magnified. Highly magnified means it is very high. Okay? Size of image is very high as compared to size of object, and we say highly magnified. Okay? So that option is C. Thank you so much.